Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn money online using Google Docs. To do this, you don't need any prior experience or skills. So if you're interested in finding a profitable side hustle online, this is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to break down step by step exactly how you can do this side hustle. Step number one is to go to Google Docs. So I'm just going to go to the Google search bar and search up docs.google.com. And then we'll be brought to this page here where we can create a brand new blank document. And we'll be using this blank Google document later on in the video. For step number two, I'm going to use an affiliate program to promote different products. For this video, I'm going to use the Amazon Associates affiliate program since there's almost any product that you can think of on Amazon. But if you want to use a different program, you could use a program such as ClickBank or a product specific program where you're promoting a specific product through an affiliate. So I'm going to head over to amazonassociates.com, and as we can see here on the sign up page, you can earn up to 10% from affiliate commissions. So I'm going to sign up for Amazon Associates and then fill out all of my information. So here's our affiliate dashboard and all of our earnings over the last month, which right now is of course 0. So for step number 3, we're going to go back to our Google document that we made from earlier, and I'm going to change the name of our Google document. So I'm going to change it to Best Work From Home Products. And now I'm going to go back to Amazon.com and look for different products that people might buy if they just started working from home. For our first product, I'm going to search for an ergonomic office chair, since we could earn a big commission from selling office chairs because office chairs cost so much. So this office chair here has good reviews. So I'm going to go to the top right corner for a site stripe link that's connected to our Amazon Associates account, and I'm going to click on Get Link. So this is going to give us our affiliate link that we can use to promote our product. So now I'm going to go back to our Google document and paste in our link, and I'm going to label it as Best Office Chair. So now we're going to repeat the same thing for another product. This time I'm going to search up noise canceling headphones. So these headphones right here look pretty nice. So I'm going to get the link and just do the same thing as we did with the office chair. So I'm going to paste the link into our document and then label it as the Best Work From Home headphones. So I'm also going to look up a standing desk on Amazon. So here's a bunch of different standing desks that we could promote with our affiliate link. So I'm going to promote this one here using our link. So I'm just going to copy it and then go back to our Google document and paste it in again. So now we have 3 different work from home products in our Google document that we can promote. I would recommend that you add as many products as you can, like upwards of 5, but for this example, I'm just going to do 3. So now if someone saw our Google document when they were looking for work from home products, they might use one of our links that we set up, and then we'll earn a commission from them. So now we're going to move on to step number 4, because now we have our finished Google document with multiple affiliate links, but now we actually need to get people to go to this document so that way they'll purchase our products through our link, and then we'll get a commission. So I'm going to show you a few different traffic sources that you can use to get people to go to your Google document. And the first one that we're going to use is Pinterest, and we're going to do that by going to canva.com. So once we are on canva.com, I'm going to search for a Pinterest pin template. So here's a bunch of different templates that we could choose to use for a Pinterest post. So I'm going to choose this template right here. Now that we have this template, we need to change it up a bit to match what we are promoting. So I'm going to drag in a photo of an office chair and then change the text to link in bio. And then I'm going to change the main text to 5 best work from home products as our main title. Now that our Pinterest pin is all done, it took us less than 2 minutes. I'm going to click on share and then download as a PNG. So now we're going to move on to step number 6, which is actually uploading the Pinterest pin that we just made to our Pinterest account. So I'm going to go to pinterest.com and then click on sign up and create a Pinterest account. So once our account is created, we can upload our brand new image that we made in Canva as our Pinterest post. And then I'm going to take our Google document link and paste it into the bio of our Pinterest post. So now we have our Pinterest post with our Google document linked in the bio of our Pinterest. So that way when people see the post, they will click on our link and go to our Google document. So now I'm going to title our Pinterest post, and I'm going to title it saying top 5 work from home products. So in order to get a lot of traffic to your Google document from Pinterest, you're going to have to post maybe 5 to 10 Pinterest posts like this one every day. Now these take less than 2 minutes to create, so you should be able to make 5 or 10 of these in less than 10 minutes every day. So now I'm going to move on to the second free traffic source, which is using SEO.writing AI. So I'm going to go to SEO.writing.ai, which is an AI tool for creating different blogs. Then I'm going to sign up for SEO writing, and once you sign up, you'll reach this dashboard where we can click on the one-click blog post option. So I'm going to type in right here the top work from home products. So that's what our article is going to be about. And then it's going to automatically generate us a title when we press this. So now we have a title and our subject for our article. So now we can see all of these different settings for our blog post. So we're going to make the article size extra small. Now most of these other things here don't matter. We're going to make sure that the model is set to ChatGPT 4.0. Now this is very important because we want to make sure that we're using the latest AI model that's available on SEOwriting.ai. So we're going to change the text readability to 6th grade. That way the AI makes it readable, and this helps to bypass AI content detection. And then I'm going to change the number of images in our article to 2. And then I'm going to add 1 YouTube video to our blog post. So 2 images and 1 YouTube video is generally the perfect amount, because any more than that and your article is just going to have way too many images or way too many YouTube videos inside of the article. So now this is a very important part. We need to make sure that it says right here, yes to connecting to the web, and then the search source needs to be set as real-time search source. So the next thing I'm going to do is go up to details to include, and then type in use these for the first 3 products. And then I'm going to paste in all of the products that we chose in our Google document. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 here. That way it knows to include these in our article when it creates the article. So now I'm going to scroll to the very top of the page and click on run. So it just completed the entire article. So here's the entire blog post on the top work from home products that we suggested. So as we can see, the article has 2 different images and 1 YouTube video inside of the article. So in the top right corner, we can copy this article. So step number 7 is to go to medium.com. So medium.com is a website where you can post blogs and articles to reach audiences online. Once you're signed up for Medium, we can click on write on the top right corner and then go back to SEOwriting.ai to paste in our blog that we already made. So as you go through this blog on Medium, you might notice that there's actually no pictures and the YouTube video is missing from our blog. Now this happens because the images didn't transfer over and the YouTube link didn't transfer over properly either. So in order to fix this, we need to go back to SEOwriting.ai, and then I'm going to go to the image and then download the image to our computer as a JPEG. And then I'm going to do the same thing for our secondary image. So now we can go back to our article on Medium and click on the plus button right here to add our image back into our article. Once you have both of the images in the article, we also need to bring the YouTube video back into the article because it's not showing up properly. So I'm going to do this by right-clicking to copy the video's URL and then bring it into our Medium document. So now I'm going to take the affiliate links from our Google document and paste in the links at the very bottom of our Medium blog. And I'm going to add the call to action saying the best work from home products. So now we have our fully completed article with all of the images and our YouTube video and our affiliate links. The third traffic source that I'm going to show you is one that most people never think to use, and that is LinkedIn. Because we're promoting work from home products, a lot of people who work in offices or office jobs that they're doing from home would be interested in buying these products. So I'm going to go to linkedin.com and then click on join now and sign up for an account. So once we are signed up, we can see on the homepage that we can write an article using LinkedIn. So we can take our SEOwriting.ai article and we can paste it into LinkedIn just as we did with Medium. And a few things once again are not going to be formatted correctly. So first we need to copy and paste the title at the top and delete the title that's down below in our document. And now we're also going to have to add the pictures again because they didn't transfer over when we copy and pasted the article. So I'm just going to bring in the pictures the same way we did in Medium. by taking the picture that we downloaded and pasting it into the document. To make the YouTube video show up in LinkedIn, we need to highlight the YouTube video link and copy it, and then click on embed at the top, so that way it's formatted and the YouTube video actually shows up as a video in our LinkedIn article. Now we're going to use the same call to action again at the very bottom of the page by typing in check out the best work from home products, and then there's going to be the link to our Google document once again. So now we have our fully completed LinkedIn article telling people the best work from home products they could use. Thanks for watching.